Hi and welcome to Eduglory.com. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a table using create table statement and the different modes to insert the data into the table. Let's take a look at the syntax of create table statement. The syntax will include create table followed by the table name which an user would like to assign, in addition to column name and its data type within the brackets. For example, to create a table employee, we need to define the data types for each column of the table. Here, employee ID column is defined by an integer data type and so will hold an integer. Similarly, we have defined first name, last name and designation columns by varchar data type and so they'll hold characters and the maximum length for these fields is up to 45 characters. Therefore, by using this query, we have created a table employee which is empty. Now, let's know how to insert the data into the table employee. Basically, there are two modes for inserting the data into the table. The first one is by using insert into statement and the second is by using another table, that is insert into select statement. So here we start with the first mode, that is by using insert into statement. Let's take a look at the query of insert into statement, which can be written in two patterns. In the first pattern, you can specify the column names as well as values which are to be inserted. In the second pattern, you can specify only the values which are to be inserted. Therefore, both the queries will generate the same result. You can verify this result by querying select star from employee. While inserting the values into the table employee, you may get an error message in Microsoft SQL Server. An error message could be cannot insert explicit value for identity column in table employee when identity insert is set to off. So you can correct this error using the query shown here. Let's understand how to use insert into select statement. Suppose we have two tables, employee and employee 1. Both of them have similar column names with similar data types. So, table employee includes the details such as employee ID 1, first name as Brian, last name as Lara and with the designation as director. Table employee 1 is empty. To insert the data into table employee 1, you can write the query without specifying column names. In this form of query, entire table gets copied. You can follow the query as insert into employee 1, select star from employee. In the second form of query, you can specify the column names which are to be copied. For the purpose of your understanding, all the column names have been included to generate the result which is similar to that of an above query. Eventually, you will get the result of table employee 1 as shown here.